Hi friends, welcome to this mobility flow. It's gonna be a short class for all levels. All you need is your mat. And in today's class, we will really try to articulate all of our joints in order to move our body. And this is specifically suited for people, for example, who sit all day. So we will start right away onto a seated position. It can be sitting on your knees, it can be seated cross-leg as you prefer, and just close your eyes here, finding a moment to set an intention for today's practice, or simply to watch our breath, inhaling and exhaling slowly through the nose while we settle down. Slowly open your eyes and let's begin. So let's come into hands and knees. And from here, let's start to spin towards the right. So let's imagine to make circles with the palms of our hands as the center of those circles. You can look forward. The circles can be wider or smaller, it really depends on you. And then switch sides. Then come back to center, and this time we will do cat cows, but in another with a variation, which means inhale, we will round the spine, rounding our back, and exhale, drop the belly towards the floor and look forward. And you can keep going at your own rhythm. It's a bit different because with this variation we really want to expand the back of our lungs, the upper part of our back. One last round here. And then back to center. Step back with your right foot, extend your leg, then rotate your left leg 90-degree angles towards the left and open up your right arm towards the sky. One breath here. You can even extend your arm in a diagonal shape with your leg, creating a straight line. Your gaze goes towards your right hand. Breathe here. And then bring your hand back. And from here, simply come back into hands and knees, and let's repeat to the other side. So we step back the left foot, rotate towards the right knee, and open up with your left arm towards the sky. And with an exhale, straighten your arm, creating a diagonal shape, straight line from your left hand to your left foot. And exhale back onto hands and knees. Good. So tuck your toes, walk your hands a bit forward, and then elevate your knees, bring your sitting bones towards the sky, keep your knees bent, stay on the ball of your feet, and find your first downward dog of the day. Breathe here, long inhale, long exhale. You can even pedal a bit your dog, extending one leg, then the other. Then inhale, rise up your right leg towards the sky.
Exhale here. And with your next inhale, step it in between your hands. Drop the left knee to the floor. Drop the left foot. And inhale, rise up in this low lunge. Exhale, twist towards the right. Open up your arms to the sides. Inhale, come back. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms in cactus pose. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, both arms to the floor. This time, tuck your left toe. Rise up your left knee. And then come into pyramid pose. So extend the right leg. So make sure both legs are extended. And simply go forward as much as you can. The pose is totally fine if you stay with a straight back as well, if it's not accessible for you, or you can also bend the leg. It's another variation. Inhale, look forward, and then step back into downward dog. Inhale, rise the left leg towards the sky. Exhale here. Inhale, step in between your hands. Drop the right knee, the right foot. And inhale, rise up in this low lunge. Exhale, twist towards the left. Inhale, rise both arms towards the sky. Exhale, arms in cactus mode. Inhale, rise both arms. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, rise. And exhale, both arms to the mat. Tuck your right foot. Elevate your right knee and extend both legs. Pyramid pose in the variation you prefer. Inhale, look forward, lunge, and exhale, downward facing dog. Pedal your dog a bit here. Inhale, plank, or you can drop your knees if you wish. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale to plank. Exhale to dog. Inhale to plank or upward facing dog if you're into it. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, rise up the right leg towards the sky. And exhale, step it in between your hands. Rise up in this high lunge. Open up for warrior two. Inhale, peaceful warrior. And exhale, bring the right hand inside of the right foot and open up with the left hand towards the sky. Inhale, warrior two again. And come back with both hands to the mat. Step back into downward dog. Inhale, left leg towards the sky. Exhale, step it in between your hands. Rise up for a low lunge. Warrior two. Exhale, peaceful warrior. And inhale, left hand inside of the left foot. Rise up your right arm towards the sky. Exhale, step back, down dog. Inhale to plank or a variation.
Exhale to dog. Inhale to plank or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward dog. From here, you can drop both forearms to the ground for dolphin pose. So, if dolphin is inaccessible, you can simply stay in downward facing dog. Otherwise, you can walk a bit your feet towards your elbows, elevate the hips, and simply stay here. Exhale, release your knees to the ground. Sit on your heels for child's pose. Inhale, bring your hands to your knees and rise up with both arms towards the sky. Exhale, both hands in front of your mat. Bring your chest forward and rise up. Upward facing dog. And exhale. Downward facing dog. Walk your feet towards your hands and your hands towards your feet. Inhale, look forward. And exhale, fold. Bend your knees as much as you need to. And then grab opposite ankles with opposite hands and open up the pose as wide as the mat. So you'll have the right arm in front of the left. So you'll scoop the left arm back and up towards the sky, creating a big circle and placing it back on top of your right ankle. Then I scoop the right arm up, create a circle, I sway my stroke in front, and I place it back. And then I keep going at my own rhythm here, perhaps placing a breath on it. Inhale and exhale. And then back to where we started. You can walk your feet one towards each other. And now we can fold. So in this forward fold, it's really up to you. You can be with straight legs or you can bend your legs as much as you need to. And then with the next inhale, one vertebra after the other, we come back up with your hands and arms toward the sky. And exhale, open a bit your knees, you squat down. If you can reach Malasana, very good. Otherwise, you can just meet me seated. And for those who reach Malasana, just take one breath here. And then let's meet into seated. Great. So I'll turn towards the camera. From here, let's open up our legs to the sides. And let's really make sure we're sitting on our sitting bones. And then from here, bring your hands forward. Inhale, rise up your chest. And exhale, fold forward without rounding your spine. So make sure the fold starts from your hips. You can actually bend your knees, and it's totally fine if you reach this pose. Just make sure you're not rounding and forcing your spine. You might want your spine to be straight, and through the force of gravity and our breath, we will dive into the pose little by little. Otherwise, you can just stay here. It's totally fine. You can close your eyes, drive your attention inward. Otherwise, you can actually walk with your hands in front of you. Drop your forearms. You can actually also place a block below your forehead here. and simply breathe. Inhale, walk your hands backwards. This time bring the sole of your feet together. You can place blocks or books below your knees to support, and if the pose looks like this, it's totally fine. Otherwise, we can let the force of gravity do its work. Make sure you have a straight spine. You can open the sole of your feet as if they were a book and simply stay here with the kinds of props and support you have, paying attention to your breath and driving your attention inward. Open your eyes, bring your knees together, and you can find a seated position. We'll finish the practice with a small pranayama. So we can bring our hands to our chest, and we can finish with a square breathing. So we'll inhale for 4, hold our breath for 4, exhale for 4, and hold it for 4 for a few rounds. So you can do it together with me. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last round. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, you can keep going for as much as you wish. Otherwise, we'll finish the class here. Thanks, guys. Thanks for practicing with me, and thank yourself for showing up. I hope to see you soon on the next practices. Feel free to leave a comment or subscribe to the channel if you're liking those classes. Thank you again. Namaste. Ciao.